especially to school. So the first thing is put stuff close to where you use it. Now with homeschool, it's likely that you're doing, you may be doing reading in the family room and seat
Mm-hmm.
work at the kitchen table or the dining room table. And you may be doing something in the hammock outside or, on the front porch or nature
Mm-hmm.
walks or all these different things.
Yep.
Going, or if you're a family that goes to the library a lot, you'll need places for all these things. And where you put these things, you can do it one of two ways. If you don't have a lot of room in your house, you can get a tub or a crate
Mm-hmm.
and put everything, all your supplies and stuff, into one big container and tote that around from room to room. And that's
Hmm.
perfectly fine. If you find that's not working for you, you may need to get smaller boxes, crates, baskets, pretty much
Mm-hmm.
anything, and set those in the rooms you need them, or at least in the closet close
Good.
to a room that you
Yeah.
need them. So the closer you can get it to where you use it, the more
Mm-hmm.
easy it's going to be to stay organized.
Yeah.
And the other thing, that tiny habits thing really impacted me. Okay. So one of the rules on creating a new habit is with tiny habits is your tiny habit can't last more than 30 to 60 seconds.
Hmm.
So the putting stuff away is not going to take, unless you're doing like a big art project, but in general, just the stuff that you use, the books and papers and pens, won't take
Mm-hmm.
you more than 30 seconds to a minute to put away. So that's a great time to train your kids to put things away. Um,
Yeah.
Homeschooling is
Mm-hmm.
just, that's just a really good, and that's a tiny habit.
Hmm.
And obviously, the trigger for that tiny habit is that class is over. And so you spend 1 minute putting everything away. And
Hmm.
then,
Mm-hmm.
yay, good job. You do
Yay.
that little reward thing.
Yes.
Or you can say high five or, with your child or whatever. So
Right.
use those tiny habits to keep yourself organized once you get organized, to stay organized.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing you can do is use color coding by child, if you have several
Mm-hmm.
children, or by subject. And you can use color code labels, you can use baskets of different colors, dollar stores, cheap parts, the lots of stores now just have dollar sections or really cheap
Mm-hmm.
baskets and things that you can use,
Right.
plastic baskets.
Mm-hmm.
Those are really good. Get one in each color. Um, if you have a lot of kids, you may not be able to do. You may have to double up on some
Some
color,
child
lots
might
of
need
colors.
stripes, whereas another's
That's
plain.
a great idea.
Or they
That's
can
a
just paint their little baskets.